Hey everyone, welcome to another Toolhouse video. My name is Human and today I'm extremely excited to show you Vibra, a new way of creating agents on Toolhouse. So in this example, we're going to create that agent from the scratch, add tools to our agents from Google services. So we're going to add some Gmail tool, Google Docs, Sheets, and Drive. So all the good stuff. We're going to connect it to our agent and have it handle some automation for us. So if you're new, if you never heard about Toolhouse, pause the video right now and use the sign up link that appears on the screen somewhere to sign up. Toolhouse is free, so let's get into it. It's really straightforward how you can get started on Toolhouse. You just need to click on the build button. This is Vibra, so as soon as you click that, you're going to hear her.
Hey, let's build an agent you can monetize. Got an idea?
Yes, please build me an agent that uses web search tools to scrape the internet, search the internet for some AI related news. Then I want the agent to connect to my Google Drive and Google Docs to store the information in a nice output, nice chapters, outlines, and the styling there. Pretty cool. As soon as I sent that message to Vibra, Vibra is hooking up the right tools for my agent. So grabbing the right tools, saving and creating my agent for me. And bam, with that prompt that we talked to Vibra, Vibra connected the right tools, saved the agent file, and finally generated a component for me to talk to my agent. I just realized I forgot to give my agent the Gmail tool. Before testing our agent, let's edit the agent to make sure the agent has the Gmail tool. So click on agents. This is where the agents get listed as you build them. And click on this three dots. And I'm going to edit. Hey, Vibra, I forgot to give my agent the Gmail tool. Can you please add the Gmail tool to my agent so I can read my email? Thank you. So Vibra updated the agent, gave it the Gmail tool, and we are ready for testing. Let's try this prompt. Okay, I'm asking the AI agent to grab some AI news from the internet from the past 7 days and create a Google Docs named AI News Digest. And I'm specifically calling this code interpreter tool so the agent can calculate the time correctly. This is what the agent is doing right now, using some Python code to figure out time. While the agent is taking care of the task for us, I wanted to show you the prompt one more time. So here I'm using three tools, the code interpreter to write some code and have my agent execute that code in runtime. And I'm using Google Docs and News Digest to grab the information. All right, so now we're seeing our agent getting that information and reporting that it's been added to my Google Docs. All right, let's check my Google Docs, see if it's really there. I can just grab the document ID that my agent returned. And boom, we got a nice Google Docs, really nice chapters, searching for AI from CNBC, so news, different sources, foreign affairs, and you can just Japan Times, you can just scroll and read all about it. And this was done under seconds without us writing any code or do any configurations, all built in with Toolhouse. All right, I want to test the agent even further. I want to see if the agent can send me an email. We didn't ask the agent to do that in the previous prompt. So let's try this prompt. Send me the report via email to my email address at human@toolhouse.ai. Set the subject to whatever you like. And bam, apparently an email has been sent. We got the confirmation from our agent and again, the document ID that our agent wrote. Okay, let's go to our email. And there you go, it's there. It just sent me a report, what's really mattered in a high level, and then the Google Docs ID here. All right, before wrapping up this video, I wanted to show you the tools gallery. So if you head over to our platform, go to the tools tab here, you're going to see the tool gallery. We have more than 100 tools for you there. So if you're looking for use cases, brainstorming ideas, this is the place to be. So you can click on these tools, read more about them, or build an agent with them by clicking on the button. All right, this was me for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. You learned something new from it. If you want to get into some Toolhouse actions, participate in build-a-thons, hackathons, challenges with some rewards, please join our Discord server. If you need any help or anything Toolhouse related, this is the place to be. So Discord server, do not forget to join there, and I will see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye, everyone.